So what is an improper fraction? Right, why is it called that? So if we have the fraction 10 over 4, 10 quarters. This is an improper fraction because the numerator, which is the top number of a fraction, is larger than the denominator, which is the bottom number of a fraction, okay? That's why it's called an improper fraction, because it doesn't look like your normal fractions like 1 over 4 or 1 over 2 or a third or anything like that. Another important key bit to know, I always tell my students, I remind my students probably every lesson or every time anything to do with a fraction comes up, this line of fraction means divide. Yeah, very important that you know and are aware of that, especially when it comes to other skills as well. It's really essential that we do understand that that line means divide. It's basically saying 10 divided by 4. That's essentially what a fraction actually means. So then how do we convert that to a mixed number? If you think you know, pause the video, see if you can do that now. Just take 30 seconds, see if you know what to do. Okay, so should I pause the video, I had to think, what is that as a mixed number? To do that, I usually write the timetable first. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So remember, that line of fraction means divide. So we need to know how many 4s go into 10. So 1, 2, then you have to 12 then, and 12 is bigger than 10. So 1, 2. So then we have a big 2, like so. And then how many quarters left over? It's 2 quarters, like so. Right, next little bit, those I want to take it even further, because I know some of you will be thinking of this. Pause it. Can you simplify that more? Okay, so hopefully you pause the video, simplify it more. 2 whole ones and a half, yeah? So 2 quarters is equivalent or the same as a half, yeah? So I know some of you would have been questioning that, okay? Sometimes the question can be, say, simplify fully, okay? And that's simplified fully. Right, here's like an example. Let's mark this off here. Right, I want you to have a go at this one. So I'll give you 2 questions to have a go at. So convert these to mixed numbers from improper fractions. So you've got 4 thirds. And then I want you to convert, let's do 11 fifths. So pause the video, have a go at those 2. Right, so you should pause it. How to go these ones. So hopefully you've seen, I'm not going to do all this every question because it'll just be full, this one, okay? Right, how many 3s go into 4? Well, that's 1. How many have you got left over? 1 over 3. A lot of people forget that the third, the 3 there. They might put 4 there or make a mistake. Okay, really important. Right, now second one. How many 5s go into 11? That's 2. How many got left over? 1 fifth. A question like this is probably worth 1 mark in an exam. Yeah, just in this basic form it will be. Right, let's go the other way. So let's box this off. So we got this. Hopefully smash that. Right, let's spin around here to make sure you can see it. Let's go from a mixed number to an improper fraction this time. So let's say we've got 3 and 2 fifths. Right. Pause the video. Can you go the opposite way with that one? Okay, so that's one, what answer could you have got on this one? So the trick to do this one, I'm going to put the answer on first, and then you can pause it again and see where you got it from. So the answer is 17 fifths. Okay? This is how I like to do with my students. I'll give them the answer first, and now you've got to think, pause the video, how have I gone from that to that? Okay, so we pause it. Some of you might have figured this out actually. So what we've done, to go from this to this, we've done 3 times 5. So we've done the big number multiplied by the denominator to get us 15. And then we've added on the numerator. So 15 plus 2, make that plus a bit better, which equals 17. And then we've got 17 fifths. That's how I got that one. Right, use that as a bit of an example. Now have a go at these 2 now. So you've got A and B. Let's convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Let's go 4 and let's go a 7th. And then we'll have, let's go for 2 and 5 ninths. Okay, so pause the video, convert those mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so you should have paused it, how to go, and let's see what answer you got. I'm going to, like the other ones, I'll put the answer on, you've got to think, I've got that answer. Let's say if you didn't get the answer, you're unsure, if you got a very different answer. So, it's 29 sevenths. And then this one, 23 over 23 ninths. Let's think about that one for a second. So they're the answers. If you didn't get those answers, pause the video and think, well, I've got them answers. Right, so how did I get those answers? Well, to get this, I said 4 times 7, which equals 28. Then I did 28 plus 1 to get me 29. Then just put it over the denominator. Now this one, then I did 2 times 9 to get me 18. And then I did 18 plus 5, which equals 23. And put it over 9. And to check that, you can just go backwards. So then, how many 9s go into 23? So that's 2, and then I've got 5 left over. Yeah, so double check that. 9, 18, 27. How many 9s go in 23? 1, 2. 27 is more than 23. So that's 2 whole ones. Then how do I go from 18 to 23? It's 5. Yeah, and that's a way of double checking. So hopefully this does give you a bit of an idea on how improper fractions and mixed numbers work. You know, there's a lot of, this is primary school and high school as well. Really important to know this because it's built into other topics as well. If you do like what you see, click subscribe. There's loads more videos as well. Loads of free video especially that's really going to help you, especially those with remote learning and really miss a lot of teaching as well. So it's all there for you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.